bakala ojenamala na polo aloma ragagito no polo aloma no polo amutoke pasana kene yaka para ni sosi bakala kolwa se no ojenamala we want to talk about the parable of the lost son. This is a parable. Jesus talked about this parable. Parable is the very good thing to hearing, very good thing to preparing to other. Then is this one is the great. Okay, I want to talk about here the parable of the lost son. Everybody know, someone know exactly they know. Okay, here reading a little bit about better to understanding. Jesus continued, there was a man who has two sons. No? Who has two sons. The younger one said to his father, Father, give me my share of the estate. Okay, estate. No? Pagkatapos mala hiloya, no? Bakala yata yakaban niwe, no? Learn a hiloya tin pani. Ta baniwe no data no pain is so he divided his property between them no although run it away not power no aware agabaniwe bakala property sidane no tanitha no tanitha property ne bakala akrani we no akra one metala akrani we one no. No longer after this, the younger son got together all he had. Okay, got together all he has. No, aware. No, pagkatapos mala pukwa asirgani aware. No, aware ni wala bakala ataputali kalakase. No, the one set off for a distant country and there squanders his wealth in the world living. Now, Baghdad Mala Haji Daro, Talawani, the Baghdad Mala Alera, no, well, Lera Kira, no, the away Hajura Tico, when it away sausage, the le ora, Mother Dero, look, Quaclodo, Chio, and low, away le obu usa penimano, le ora clo chio long, no. After he had spent everything, there was a severe famine in the whole country, and he began to be in need. So he went and hired himself up to a citizen, okay, of that country. Now, away le mara panero, away le hueta peta matirpa pe tiko kane punilong, no, who sent him to his field to feed pigs, no. Paragala Murane, a Thuera Bakala, no. But do over Tossa, Mano, Tocha. He longed to fill his stomach with the paws, no, pot that the pigs were eating, but no one gave him anything. Okay, no, aware le hira no over, no. Good afternoon, say hi. Hi everyone. Okay. Hello. I have talked about the lost son today. Okay. So, no. Aware le mata mala pagitana mala le quato. No, penino aware pagitana ma ayete mano mata overa to samana aware kama puera pagitana mala no a her one no pagitana mala aware quavera no bakala ta o to ta ovani no pagitana ma no we over but no one give him anything aware it all basanakiro started to over no when he came to his senses he said no senses no senses sidane aware thinner talking no aware thinner talking wera no ata moge no aware ta matharo or dine we locking aware katuvera. How many of my father hired men has food to spare, and here I am starving to death. No, pay pa loni no. Pagkatapos malah apa ora pa pemade no ya pa ku pa sir pa ni no pagkatapos oba weda no lelo pupilo I will send out and go back to my father and say to him no ya ke da su ya pa no do lo ne ya ke no say to him father pa no I have sinned against heaven and against you no Yama kamamali munko do no donali no I am no longer worthy to be called your son no I am no longer sidane no jetikre no jetikre the barana lena kakwaya no na pukwa ba make me like one of your higher men no make me like one of your higher one no pagkatapos malah ma paya dito do pala adulelo asarga so no era tiba no so he got up and went to his father now awake sitter do awake dagisu apa ulo no era tiba no but why he was stayed a long way off no penny awa odile clap strategy permanent no his father saw him and was fearless no pagkatapos malah fearless no pagkatapos apa ti odo memna na as puelo qui no fearless puelo que with compassion for him no pagkatapos malah ora taku no para compassion no lebra no he ran to his son no away le khibra su pa no apukwa sorry no le apukwa threw his arm around him and kissed him no pagkatapos malah away let to su oro pagkatapos malah su oro no away pahu wera no do away no more no kiss him the son said to him father I have sinned against heaven and against you no when pa no away ni jama kamaba na do mukuli letana kuta no I am no longer worthy to be called as no I am no longer to be called as your son no pagkatapos malah na teklo kwaya le na pukwa lo ba but the father said to his servant quit no apa ni tema ba aku apa ni mami kli bring the best robe and put it on him no pagkatapos ma heso wala ta agita let's see color agita no heso su put a ring on his finger and the sandals on his feet no pagkatapos malah chuno achu pula pase do pagkatapos malah akone la copy no la copy bring them no fatten calf and kill it no pagkatapos malah kinebra tabo no pagkatapos malah no tabo la pera solo abo na krolo abo de tapita mano calf no awani no ta pagkatapos maso abo do no matio let have the feast first celebrate let us the first celebrate no pagkatapos malah pak ora pakamuna takuro no for his son of mine was dead and is alive again no pagkatapos malah for his son sidane no la apukwa go pagkatapos malah no la atamu puni no sukumo la thi basana ki do amulo kili no sukumo la thi do amulo kili he was lost and is found sidane la aloma ti daga do awe tatini ki oli no aloma do tatini ki ro so they began to celebrate no ulane awe ketik to ra tala no awate no bidara mata tiku tatimi sama ta off no kwese musako pagkatapos ma off kwada ku pwate pa no meanwhile no to super pukwiro to super do no the older son was in the field no pagkatapos ma apuwa kurga hakesu pagkatapos ma la no pagkatapos ma no hakesu talawani when he came near the house no pagkatapos hakesu tapita maro haketu bosuhi akane no that he hears music and dancing. Now, a power could not who era, no, pretend my ta with a shadow, Poalegri, mono. So he called one of the seven and asked him, no, no, over Kovara, a Kuapua, no, Taka, Kupuado, Piquavera, what was going on? Ta Martha Dile, Martha Mnule, no, Martha Mnule. Your brother has come, no? At the court, no? At the court, your brother has come, no? A good part, no? Your brother has come, no? Na, double when haki daki, no? He replies, and your father has killed the fattest calf because he has him best safe and sound, no? Safe and sound. Pagdana napa mathibera. Pagkita mala no tu abo do pagkita mala aware no copy abo the do copy abo do aware pagkita mala no wati nimara la upon haki pu play do tapa yubabo no aware pagkita mala no lo kama ba la no pagkita ma atamu ko no. The older brother became angry. No, the older brother became angry. Angry whether no, forget no. That kind of go out and refusing to go in. Okay, older brother refusing to go in. He don't want to see his younger brother. So his father went out and pleaded with him. Father, okay. But he answered his father, look. All these years I have been slaving for you and never disobeyed your order. Never disobey your order. Yes, you never give me even a young goat, so I could celebrate with my friend. Now, error. Otku daro atumu the koshiko mano. Natehia sikola. Pagdema pay metale would do. Non tehia sikova. Non do oyama. Non pagdema. But when his son of your who has squanders your property with prostitutes come home, no pretend man all way the tapota leader of prostitute a taumu de girwa pero tema no taumu de girwa la panyako bukora la pakete mu basan ge pay no. You get the fattened calf for him, no namathibra. Pagkita no, what to do? No, pagkita no. My son, the father said, Apane baki te baki tagitaklu kita paro, no. Tebra no, my son, the father said, no. Apate bawara yepupalo. You are always with me, no, no, ora tobo the boy you call, no, and everything I has is yours, okay. Takala uro. Nane takala oro yane na mina naro na nawalele no. But we have to celebrate and be glad no. Pasadra kiro pakala na manataku do tukutaku no. No, because this brother of your no, this brother of your minna dopuwe ni was dead no, a thili and is alive again. Now, he was lost and is found. Now, this means the lost son is very father love. Okay, very love for the love son. Why? Okay, you know the most important. Your son stay with you and your son is a go far away. Which one you love, do you think? I think so you love go far away person because you want to see or you feeling about him, what's going him or what happened him or you worry about so many things for him. Okay, once stay with you person your son is, you don't need to worry nothing. Because property is after you die, property belong to your older son. That's why Okay, the father has two sons is he don't worry about the older son, he worry about the younger son, because before younger son is doesn't understand. Okay, that's mean he ran away, he take property everything, and then he go to the wealthy city, and after he realized himself and the come back and the begging his father make me his slave. Okay, this means very very good thing. All right. Leta na kuda bakro patu pata la betamu pula no. Tulu aloma de dune pa ewa duni di tulu ulu grabu ti de pane bam ni le no. Bakro sikomo loti lo sila. Bam nu khula tulu aloma de dune ni ta mata ra de le ta usa de le kaba ta tamimia me pa ma ama na o me ka ha wa ka tu player kamata de le persiya. Pasa tulu pakapa de dune atauta persiya no. Petia kwani de amata ki amata wa patinya o lita no kura tar kwa chua ki aba bam nule awe mi khiota te mi ra le ne kwa te hi o no khoplu le pa ba yu ta le su le aloma de dine ko no di me le pa ki te ma le nya solo aloma de du mi ha ki do khi kenya kwa ya le ki ta su pa ki te ma apa o pa ki te ma lo aksa o ta pa ki te ne me ra le ta ba tu ba ta le ka sai ya o lo ti lo si la no so kami chalo to sita ne ta phu phu ne o ro to ti pha ma no ta lo to ti pha ne me to ti pha le agi no to ti pha le agi to lo aloma ti pha ne o le ta khle ma no le no khuda ra pa kra sik mo le to ti pha o lo ta khle no to ti pha o lo ta ko pu ne pa kra khu to phe le te du le no teno no ka sik mo le to lo o lo ta ko bu si ko ba khe lo ame ta kwa tho agi ba si ko lo no ta ka ba kwa tho agi ba lo no to lo aloma ti pha si ko ta ba khu lo no temi ne to lo o lo ta ko pu du ne ba ma ra na ne o lo ta khle du no ta khle du ne wa ti ne ha phe ba ta le phe ba ta o mu si lo no ba sa ge to lo ta ko pu du ne no ba phe ba ma ba le ba ki no do lo ne ba ko kle se da na na ki no ba ge de ma a wa ti ti pha du ne ma ta ta la ka po a la ka so ba no ba ge de ita na khura pakro patu pata le bata mu no pakro le ra pakro mu le bata mu ku si ko lo ba mu khu le ne no solo a olo group du ne ne na pakete member ten ne ta sek to member ne awate ne kedu ne ma ta la pa te lo no pakete na pamit ulo ba no pakete na pamit no ga ba awate ba ne kedu ne ma ta la ka tho we ta to lo le ta no ko na awate te ba ne tu si ta si lo do ba ta lo ko ne tu te pa lo olo group du ne awate olo ta tu si ta si khop lo pakete na pa ma syo do ba khop lo pakete na ma la pa kwa twe awate ba ma la na awate ba le ra na ko ta ro ne temi ne ta te pa ne me ra ta le pakete na pa su ko mo da le pa ma ra le ta ku so pa ko lo awane ta ba me din ne ba no we should be think about when we doing the missionaries and we stay in the church. Okay, we doing so great thing, you know, that we are the sheep because we stay in the house and the son of, okay, temple. We stay in the temple. I want to tell you about that. We stay in the temple. This is a good thing to us, and we doing hard, but in the outsider, okay, outsider is they don't do nothing about it. Sometimes they come back to the temple. We see about that this guy is very bad. Okay, I don't want to see him. Okay, I don't want his face here. I don't want he come back. Okay, but he is the bad guy. Sometimes they realize by himself and that they come back to the pleasing, okay, because they know about that they're doing wrong. This means you have to be expressed and then welcome them. This is a better thing you should do. You are in the church. Okay, I want to talk about this. Is the great thing. You should know exactly everything you do is the perfect. Okay, but don't be mess patient. Do good thing. Later then you will be growing and growing just like the Son of God. Okay, just like the Son of God, that's a better thing. Jesus talk about everything is the right thing. Okay, Jesus talk about, you know that the sun come out for the best people and good people. Okay, the rain come down for the bad people and good people. Okay, every person is that the God love it that. Okay, only just the God given the duty we should prepare ourselves to treat them fairly. Okay. Then the kura pakra sukumota la batamu pulano, pakra lera la agita, pakra mara la agita. La batamu puni pakama bata la pama bata a, no lutamu pama bata sa. Demi ne pakra patu patala batamu pu agita mano, pagu klesa mano. Pagu klesa la agita, mutani la pakaba mara ne pakaba mara sa pakchalo, no. Moya sugi agita da sui poiko, ganerki, no. Thank you so much today. Okay, God bless you. God bless your family. Bye bye.